In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you what compound clips are and how to use them, along with practical examples in CapCut for PC. Let's jump right in. Compound clips let you group multiple clips, like videos, audio, images, or other media, into one single clip. This makes it easier to manage and apply effects, transitions, or color grading to all the clips at once. To explain it simply, imagine you're at the grocery store with 10 items in your hands. It's tough to carry them, right? But if you put everything in a basket, it's much easier. Compound clips work the same way. Now, let's jump into CapCut on PC, and I'll show you how to create these compound clips. It's super simple. Start by bringing your media, videos, audio, images, into the timeline. To create a compound clip, just right-click on a clip and select Create Compound Clip, or use the keyboard shortcut Option+G. You can select several media clips at once and turn them into a compound clip, which will help you keep things organized and tidy on the timeline. You can double-click on any compound clip to open it up and make adjustments. Once you're done, you can go back to the main timeline by clicking the back arrow. If you ever need to break the compound clip apart, right-click on it and select Undo Compound Clip, or use the shortcut Shift+Option or Alt+G to split the clips back out. Let's look at an example. If you want to create a zoom effect across multiple video clips, just select all the clips, create a compound clip, and then apply your zoom effect. This will apply the effect across the entire compound clip, making the process quick and smooth. Compound clips are also great for adding effects and transitions. If you want to apply an effect to several clips at once, combine them into a compound clip, apply the effect, and it will instantly affect everything inside. This also works for transitions. Group your clips into a compound clip, and then you can easily add transitions between different sections of your video without dealing with each individual clip. Need to reuse a compound clip later? No problem. You can either copy and paste it wherever you want in the timeline or save it as a preset to use in future projects. Just right-click on the compound clip, choose Save Preset, and you'll find it in the My Presets section on the left-hand menu. This can save you loads of time, especially if you're working on a long edit. That's it for this tutorial. To learn more about using CapCut on PC, check out this video on your screen. Catch you in the next video. Peace.